childhood education program focuses on things like introduction to education, health, safety, nutrition, child growth and development, and lesson plan writing.
I chose ECE because I've always wanted to be a teacher. In ECE, we get certified in first aid, CPR, AED, communicable disease, OSHA, and child abuse awareness. In this program, I'm really looking forward to going out and doing field experience.
The ECE students participate in hands-on training through field experiences working in local schools in our community, and sometimes in preschools and centers as well.
My field experience is Medina Weekday Preschool, which is part of the Medina United Methodist Church. It's a preschool setting, and I'm helping them normally with their art projects, and I'm helping them learn like how to mix colors in the 4-year-olds, and I'm teaching them their colors in the 3-year-olds. And it's really fun just seeing like how they're able to articulate some of the words and say the stuff, so it's cool to see that.
My field experience is at Bumblebee Village in Medina. It is right outside of the square. Bumblebee Village is a in-home style daycare center. So for instance, it'll host 2 to 3-year-olds or like toddlers of 1 to 2, and it'll also have a preparation for kindergarten class, which is where I am, and it hosts 4 to 5-year-olds. What we're doing right now is that I am personally aiding the teacher, and I am helping sort of as a teacher's aide. I've learned how every single child has a different type of learning. Like there's ones who learn in a more social environment, and some kids are like, no, I want to be left alone, while others are more involved with you.
I'm getting a lot more personal experience with the kids, in which I never had before, but then going into being an actual student-teacher type aspect, where you're collaborating with the teacher before they set up the class, and you're like actually looking at their lesson plans and seeing how they like set up their stuff. It's good to get that insight in how to do that.
In the ECE program, we also offer college credit opportunities.
After I complete this program, I hopefully want to go to college at Ohio State, and I do want to major in teaching, and I want to actually go into the disability field so I could teach them.
I think the benefits from field experience is that before I go to college, I'll really know what grade level I want to teach and what area I want to teach.
The career tech student organization that early childhood education students participate in is Educators Rising. The students compete in Educators Rising at a state and a national level. In the past, the students that have competed at the state level have done very well, and it's a very fun experience for the students, and they love it.
I think the best thing about ECE is how our whole class is like a family.
Students in the ECE program usually take 2 different pathways. Some of them go to the workforce and work either in daycares or centers or preschools, and some students go off to college to earn a 4-year bachelor's degree and become teachers in education.
After I graduate, I want to go to college to study adolescent education, so basically to be like a high school teacher or a guidance counselor.
Some kids come here just to find out if they can deal with kids, because some people say it's a special person to deal with students like that. I've fallen more in love with it than I thought I would have been scared out of the field. And so it was cool to like actually start embracing the field and falling more in love with being with the children and learning how to like adapt to them. ECE has definitely confirmed what I want to do.